Xiaomi launched its new mid-range phablet called as Redmi Note 2 and Redmi Note 2 Prime in China, with mind-blowing specs for the price. It became a huge success, selling 8 lakh units in just 12 hours. But Xiaomi said that they have no plans to launch Redmi Note 2 in India. We Indians probably have to wait a while to get your hands on the Redmi Note 2. The reason behind this is Xiaomi Redmi Note 2 is powered by a MediaTek chipset. Yes, at the moment Ericsson has filed a patent infringement lawsuit against Xiaomi. As a result, Xiaomi is barred from importing and selling any product that runs on MediaTek's chipset. Meanwhile, the court allowed Xiaomi to sell those running on Qualcomm. So still Redmi Note 4G, Mi 4 and Mi 4i sales are going on. The case is related to Ericsson's standard essential patents for wireless technology. Ericsson had alleged that Xiaomi was not paying any royalty for using technology innovations covered under the patents in its smartphones. The other reason could be if they launch the Redmi Note 2 in India, there will be some drop sales of their other products, such as Mi 4i. But we don't know the correct reason. BGR India has reached out to Xiaomi for clarification about whether it can sell the Redmi Note 2 and Redmi Note 2 Prime in India, considering both were running on MediaTek chipsets. Then what the Xiaomi has said is, we are continuously evaluating new products that can be launched in India, but as of now, we do not have any plans to launch Redmi Note 2 in India, a Xiaomi spokesperson told to BGR India. However, the company refused to comment whether it was due to legal case of Ericsson, so we don't know the perfect reason. That's it. Subscribe to my channel for more information, unboxings, reviews and giveaways. Thank you.